Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to install PostgreSQL in Windows computer. On search bar, we will write PostgreSQL download. Then we will get a link of PostgreSQL. I will click on that. From here, it will be showing us available system for download. We will be downloading for Windows, so we click on this. From here, we will be able to show what are the available versions. The latest one is PostgreSQL version 15. We will be downloading this. So from this link, we will click on this and it's showing us all the available versions to download. Now we will be downloading 15.4 and for Windows 64. Now we will click on this. After this, the download should be started automatically. So on Drive, we will download this and it will show us the progress on this progress. After finishing our download, we will click on the link, then the installation will be started automatically. Now we have to click next, then next. We have to choose a password from here. I have chosen a password. This is the default port. We will keep on this and it will be showing where it will be installed. Okay, we will click on next, and it will be started automatically. We have to wait for a while to let that be finished. So it has been finished. After the installation is being completed, now we can access the pgAdmin. If we just write it here, we will get this pgAdmin. We have installed PostgreSQL and the pgAdmin has been installed automatically with the package. The pgAdmin is basically the front end or graphical user interface through which we will access the database of PostgreSQL, and we will write or build up our query through also the pgAdmin. So it's being started. Now it's showing us it's opened pgAdmin. So from here we can see this is our server. Now we have to type the password that we gave earlier. Again, we will save this password. Now we can see the database has been installed. If we want to create any database, we can create it from here. Like it's asking us for the name of the database. Let's give it the name as testdb. The owner will be this. Save. Now the testdb database has been set up. From here we can see all the available options. Let's write a script. So it's showing us the code that was used to create the database testdb. If we just go down and if we write a create table, by giving the name as test, in which whatever the language, the uppercase or the lowercase, that will not be a problem. The test table, let's give the name. Now in bracket we will be giving the column name. Let's give the first one as ID and the data type will be integer, and let's give the second one as name. Varchar will be the data type and we will be allowing 255 characters. Okay, now if we just select and run this, now we can see the query has been run successfully. So if we just refresh this, now under the test database we have created a table, and under the schema and under those public, we will get the table, and here we can see that is the test label that we have already created, just now created, and it's showing us the two column that we have created in that table. So that's to now. This is how we can install a PostgreSQL, and we can start writing query in the PostgreSQL through pgAdmin. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you on next video.